Hopefully today we'll move the microphone. We'll have better sound quality, because on Monday it was shocking. I loved the camera, I knew that this Sena prism tube, it's a good little camera for sure, but the sound quality with this external mic was pretty grim. It's way too sensitive, way too sensitive. Alright?
Right then. Goes on?
Yeah. Just turn yours on and give it a doop. Yeah, yeah. It's bloody raining. I can indeed. Yeah. Yeah. I kept looking at the forecast yesterday, and the last few days have been saying sun with a bit of cloud, sun with a bit of cloud, what have you. Then at one point yesterday morning it said cloud with showers, and I'm thinking, oh, for fuck's sake. And then I looked this morning, and the local weather girl on TV did say that there could be the odd shower, but in general it shouldn't be too bad. So go up the little slippy road here. I need windscreen wipers now. Yeah. All I can see of you is like a silhouette in black. Yeah. Well, I've moved my microphone away from the chin piece to, in fact I've ended up tucking it right behind the chin padding, the cheek pad, because I tried it on several times moving it yesterday and I couldn't get a decent sound out of it, so I thought let's just try and get it as far away from me gobbing out of the wind as possible. It's just too sensitive, that microphone. I don't know what they built this camera to be motorcycle friendly. It's really easy to use, easy to turn on with your gloves on and everything. Marketed it as a motorcycle's dream, and then given it a shit fucking microphone that's way too sensitive. Yeah. But it's a pain in the arse, because I got the microphone situation really sorted with the GoPro using a £1.79 PC microphone, and the sound was as good as you're going to get. Well, now I've gone back to having to fathom out what I'm going to do. If it persists, I shall have a go. I shall buy another microphone harness from Sena, and then I shall butcher it so that I can actually use it with one of those cheap PC microphones. Job done. It's only 2 fucking wires. It can't be that easy to. It can't be that hard to fathom out how to rewire it so that it works together. In fact, what Sena should do is offer a separate cable with the adapter so that you can use any of the modern mics in it. Because this one, it's a diddy little connector and nothing else like it, so you can't just do it like that. It's going to be a case of cutting wires and resoldering and stuff. Yeah, very. Traffic jam in Pucklechurch. Heavens to Murgatroyd. They didn't There should be double yellers down this bit of road to stop these people constantly parking here. Yep. I know. They did get through a few up there. I didn't bother with the other camera today. I thought, let's save that for a drier, nicer day, fiddle faffing around with 2 cameras. Yeah, that's what I did. I always do that, but if I haven't used it for a week or more, I'll give it another booster charge. But I did it when I got home on Monday. So I didn't bother this morning. The battery in these things, it seems to last for ages. Yeah. It is, isn't it? Yeah. My coffin, I just want cardboard box. None of this oak with brass handles for me. Either one of the cardboard ones that they offer, or a willow basket type one. And then I want to be incinerated, not buried. I do not want worms crawling in and out of my body. I'd rather go up in a puff of smoke like the Vikings. You won't be able to get a boat that's set fire to and sent off to sea in flames, but that'll do in there. Yeah, this is where I want my incineration to take place. Yeah, no. See, the Victorian funerals have carried on. And they were so grim and sad and nasty, weren't they? Especially the Victorian thingy with the black horses and the big black carriage. That was, yeah. I mean, that's sort of almost scary. Yeah. Yeah. If you get over 70 odd, then you've had a good innings, you know. Yeah. hit the jackpot there. Yeah, but that only gives me 15 years though. That sounds a bit grim, doesn't it? No, 15 years is nothing. Yeah. When you see so many people who die in their 30s and 40s and they seem in good health, enjoying life, and then all of a sudden they have a heart attack and keel over. No, that's right. Yeah. Well, that microphone must pick it up then, but that one on the Sena, you can hardly hear my exhaust. It's all high-pitched noises like wind whistle and stuff like that it picks up, which is totally the wrong way round. Yeah, and that makes you squiggle all over the shop, doesn't it? Then there's that little row of holes just there as you pull out. Yeah. But what I do think, when I was talking in the old microphonic the other day, I was talking too loud. So if I can try and keep my voice down to a normal volume, it might improve that situation. Unless I get excited, like when that idiot was trying to reverse that trailer out onto the road. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Right, what's the price on seeing a cock pheasant today?